Alright, we're out here riding today. Said I'd come back to Redbird when it's dry. We are back at Redbird. We're gonna get her done today. It's been like 100 degrees for the past 2 weeks with no rain. Or well, I guess like one day it rained for a couple hours, but it's pretty dry. So yeah, we're gonna check it out today, explore some spots I didn't explore last night. It is hot, like crazily hot. Like I said, it's been 100 degrees for like the past 2 weeks. It's like 90 something degrees today. It is freaking hot, especially inside this helmet. So might not ride as long today, but I'm gonna give her the beans and explore. So let's get right into it. I'm switching up the camera angle a little bit. I got some feedback to point it up more so that you guys get to see a little more trail. Last time I actually had it pointed down, like so you were looking like that for like a couple hours of footage. So I'm gonna keep it a point to keep it pointed up so that you guys see more of the trail in front of me. But yeah, I thought about going to Badlands this morning. As the heat, figured, you know, track riding, or, yeah, there still is some mud, which is crazy. But I figured Badlands would be packed. Get here a little late. It is 2 o'clock, but I had to do some work this morning. I had to finish up tinting a truck, and getting up here, you know, it's a bit of a drive. Not as big of a drive as Badlands. Man, it is really rutted out. Like, look at that. That is insane. It is really rutted out. I imagine for 4th of July they had probably a lot of people out here on side-by-sides and Jeeps. And even today, I imagine there's a lot of people here today. I mean, these ruts are pretty bad. I can't imagine what most of the what's it called, like the mud holes, they're probably pretty bad, because that base area that I just went through getting over here, it's not really that muddy, and that is pretty flat, and it looks like they just, you know, side-by-sides have to take stuff like that. They can't avoid it. It looks like people are just getting stuck in there. Fresh gravel. Really fresh gravel. That was some really fresh gravel back there. It's real loose. I don't really like that. So if y'all remember, the last time we were here, this was a muddy mess. If this is your first time seeing me ride out here, go back, man, this is bad. Oh man, I have to get in this rut. I thought for sure my back end was gonna wash out there. But yeah, go check out the video. It's titled Muddy Mayhem. I was riding here after the rain for like a week straight. Man, these ruts are awful. Get back here in the woods. Okay, that's still a pond. Let me go over here. I don't know if they dug that out on purpose. It's a pretty gnarly hill. Oh shit. Surprisingly, I don't know how, but there's still a lot of mud and water everywhere. Good of an idea to come this way. These are deep, deep holes. I've seen this one is completely dry and they're deep. These are true, like, mud rig holes. At least it's somewhat flat out here. Looks like this deepest stuff. Man, that thing's buried. It's pretty cool looking. Well, obviously there's still mud out here. I really don't understand how. It's been so hot for so long. Nature finds a way. I'm trying to avoid these holes as much as possible, but it's not really possible all the time. Too many people out here, so I don't need to watch every direction. I think I went the wrong way. Yeah, I did. I can make it through that. Muddy. I can't believe how muddy it is with how dry and hot it's been. I feel like it shouldn't be this muddy. Wow. Yeah, that's kind of nuts. Maybe it was a horrible day to ride. The ruts are awful. There's still a little bit of mud, but not much. I take that statement back. There's a lot of mud. A lot of ruts in places ruts should not be. Okay, I'm not going that way. They're just going to block my path. See, that's what I'm talking about. Crap. Man, I came on to that way down center. See, these were the holes that were actually like super deep. Oh, I forgot. The amount of thorns back here. Oh my gosh. Gotta go through it. the heck? Man, look how deep that hole is. Deeper than what I thought, or a lot muddier. That bottom mud was, I hope the camera's not muddy. I'll fix that here in a second. Let me get off this single track. The second my front tire sunk, I knew I was getting muddy. It was just I had to get through that because I was way too deep in mud. Avoid this single track in the future. Woo! My leg just got caught on the stick like a log. I don't think I usually take this one. This one's kind of new to me. Yeah, these single tracks are still horrible. Oh, this is gonna be fun. It's all a balance game. You can tell Jeeps have been through here with the flat tires. It's the no tread tires. That's pretty good. Definitely a little more rutted out, steeper since the last time I was here, but it still gets up there. Still. Good or bad? I probably should have listened to that. I don't know if that meant for like right up there. Apparently it did. This is a pretty cool place up here. It's just very narrow, especially down there. Like that's technically side-by-sides can go down there, but it's like a single track. It's pretty rough. Because it's almost like I have no front brake, plus my front end's just sliding because the amount of dirt from my tire. That could easily be the issue. But I feel like it had a lot more stopping power. She laid that one down nice. Right on a hill for me. Looky there. Dang it. Get up here and turn around. Well, let's keep going straight. Big Bertha. So this is quote unquote Big Bertha, the challenge hills up here. I already, oh, this is gonna be a muddy freaking mess. How did I not just crash right there? Oh, I freaking predicted it. Kind of worried for a second there. My foot was stuck. Look how deep this is. That was some really gnarly mud. If I was on like a quad or something, that'd be cool. I'm in first gear. That was so anticlimactic. I was in first gear. Yeah, I honestly thought my bike was getting stuck when I laid it down. It just stopped moving. I did lose my balance. I sunk in the mud and slipped. And my bike is hot. Yeah, that was pretty rough. Definitely not going that way again. But man, that mud sucks. It's really like silky. You just sink in it. You sink so bad in it. It's not good. This is where I slid across the thing earlier. I don't really like up here right now. It's so muddy. Like this is one of the only ways to get back here, and the other one I missed my turn. Oh well, I could have gone straight and hit the turn, but my back end just washes out. And these holes, this is where I laid it down. Woo! Front tire head skirted. My bike is super hot right now. I am well. But I'm hydrated. Like falling off of my bike into one of these giant valleys. It's probably a big fear of mine riding like this. Well guys, I would recommend Redbird, but so far this year it has been a dump. Probably not going to come back here for a while. They don't maintain the trails. It's full of water. The ruts are horrible. Even the single tracks, I mean, that's bad. The mud right now, even though it's been 100 degrees and no rain for the past 2 weeks, it's horrible. I mean, y'all saw back there where I was sunk up to my crankcase. I mean, it's bad, but I'm not going to come back out here till they start patching in ruts. We're definitely going to have to check out Interlake or Haspin Acres, but these state parks, state riding parks are just so far crap. There's only one more state riding park in Indiana, and I don't know if they take care of it at all, but from the looks of Redbird, they probably don't. But yeah, looks like it's going to be private riding parks from here on. I hate to cut this video so short. I really don't know how much footage I've got that'll make it into the video. But it's not a good day to ride. It's 100 degrees right now. It's soaking wet for some reason. I don't understand how there's still so much water out here. And it's been 100 degrees for the past 2 weeks with no rain. I don't know if they put water trucks back here or water barrels for, you know, the 4th of July event or whatever. But like, that's flooded. Either my GoPro's dying right now or overheating, but it keeps shutting off. But yeah, we're wrapping up this video today. It's been a crappy day. Had to pick a giant hill to come down on, didn't I? Hey, that was pretty peaceful.